this is Cindy Crane the Heart. I'm excited to share some cards that I made for you for a challenge. So one of my favorite things to do is to do card or project challenges from some of my favorite stamp companies. I wish that all stamp companies would have a challenge. I don't really care for the weekly ones because I rarely have time to get on there and do it. I prefer the bi-weekly or the monthly. So some of my favorite ones includes the one that I did today, which is Paper Smooches. So Paper Smooches has a monthly challenge. Usually it's a themed challenge or a color challenge. Tends to not be too difficult so that you could do stuff with, items that you have from the company, or they even have free digitals that you can use. So you can win a $15 gift certificate to their store, and the owner has started producing some new product. So I think they had a new release this month. So one of my favorite ones. So the theme for this month was hearts. It didn't have to be Valentine's, it could just be hearts. So I'm going to share with you the cards that I made. I love them all. I think they came out super cute. And they're all cards that I definitely will put in my stash and use. So the first card uses this stamp set from Paper Smooches. It's called New Beginnings. It's just a fun stamp set because it has like a wedding, a baby, graduation. Very cute. So I'm using that, as well as this perfectly plaid 6x6 paper pad from Lawn Fawn, and then I have this yellow dotted paper, which I'm not sure where it came from. I think Echo Park, but it was like just a piece of scrap that I used. And then you can see I have all kinds of words, and never a word that I need usually, but I did find this hello word. It possibly is Lawn Fawn. Possibly. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, and I also used this square stitched die from CC Designs that I had bought when they were on clearance. Okay, so here is my card, and I just love how it came out. So from the stamp set, I used the elephant and the word baby, and then the hello was cut using some silver kind of glitter cardstock that I have, and then I used these really fun my favorite little puffy hearts that I got from Recollections, and I'll share with you what those look like in a second. This heart's a basic heart that I think it's a Stampin' Up! Thinlit set that I have, and I use that heart in a couple of my projects for this thing today. So let me show you these hearts, because if you're at Michael's, you might want to pick these up because they're pretty cheap. You get 220 tiny little hearts that I have found all kinds of uses for. I adore them. So really, really cute. And there's my card. Just love it. I think it came out super cute. So that's a fun one. And then the next one I'm going to share with you guys uses this fun stamp set called Super. And then it has these two little dies. It's the car and the little superhero guy. And then I'm using paper and glue, which is an Echo Park school-themed stamp set. But I didn't need a lot of paper, but I just wanted like primary colors for this. So for this card, I just stamped the skyscraper, which comes in the stamp set. And the thing about that skyscraper is that I'm doubtful that you're going to be able to stamp it really cleanly one time down. So it really helps to have some sort of stamp positioner so that you could re-ink and re-stamp this to get a crisp image. So I did that, and then I colored in the windows in yellow, and then I went over that with yellow stickles. So it looks, actually, you can't really tell on the camera very well, but it's very shimmery and pretty. Then I used that same heart little Thinlit and cut out another heart shape in red this time, and then I stamped it in white, and then put white embossing powder over it, and it says have a super day. I just love how that came out. So I just white embossed that, and then I stamped my Mr. Happy superhero guy, and I cut him out and colored him in with Copics and just put him on my card. And so that would be really fun for, I think, a birthday card, like a boy. So that one's cute. That one makes me very happy. And then my favorite card that I made for this challenge is this one. It's called Baby Birds is the name of the stamp set. It's right here. You can see right here. And this one is super, super adorably cute. I love, love, love it. And then I used the 6x6 paper pad from Echo Park called Party Time. And then my favorite Cat Scrappiness little matte dies. Absolutely love these dies. So all I did for this card is I stamped my two little birds, colored them in with Copics. It comes with a little heart stamp, so I did stamp little red hearts. And then I used my fun little puffy Recollections stickers in the corners there. And that's colored in with Copics. And then I just cut all of that out with the Cat Scrappiness die. And I can't even find where that particular die went. The size, I don't know where that size went. And then that's it. I just put it on some foam on the piece of cardstock or colored paper that I picked out, which was this black one. It says happy birthday, it has a bunch of birthday words on it. And that's it. Isn't that cute? That would be a really cute, cute, cute birthday card. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Playing with a Heart.